I will never understand why you guys blow up the videos of me taking off my makeup in reverse. Like, I don't even know why I bother making videos of me putting on the makeup at this point. Honestly, I should just put it on, leave it there for 2 seconds, and then wipe it off and throw it in reverse. Because that's what TikTok wants. They will put me on the For You if I keep doing this right here. So, come on guys, give it a like. I'm throwing this bad boy in reverse because y'all said that girls would give me 100,000 likes if I did it. Like, come on. Please. I'm begging you.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. If I blow hard enough, these teeth will come off. Oh no, they're... I didn't think it would actually work. We're not gonna stop there, though. Okay, this is gonna take too long. Oh, I'll save that one for last. I'm pretty happy with how this makeup came out, but... Oh? But I'm really tired and I'm really hungry. Ow. So we just gotta... push through. Oh. I almost forgot about the nose again. That really popped off. DIY blackhead removal, anyone? Just kidding, please don't do that. Wow, don't I look beautiful? And your favorite nightmare fuel? Alright, I am now clean, but my skin is definitely stained. Oh, and also I uploaded a full YouTube video on this look, so go ahead and check that out. The link is in my bio.
Take off my makeup with me, scary toothy person edition. Guys, I literally made this entire thing by myself and I'm really proud of it. First, we gotta get rid of these contacts. Oh my gosh, I can see again. Okay, I guess let's start with my little head scar. Let's try and get some of these teeth out. Oh my gosh. He's getting a lot of money from the tooth fairy. Let's see if I can get any of this off. Ow! Now I just look like I have a bloody mustache. Okay, you can do this, you can do this. Ow. I don't think this glue is ever coming off my face, so I'm gonna go shower.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? I'm Baby Yoda. But I won't be Baby Yoda anymore. And just like that, I am now human. I won't lie to you guys, I am overheating. That's better. I'm sorry, Mom, but I got your bed sheets dirty. I hope this doesn't stain. Shall we take the ears off? I won't lie to you guys, I spent a little too long painting these. Okay, just one more? No, I can do this, that's fine. I don't know why I always choose to put liquid latex so close to my hair. But now we just gotta take off this pretty face. Nightmare fuel. Green paint doesn't stain skin, right? Alright, I took a shower and I think we're in the clear. Comment which movie character you want to see me turn myself into next. I could not say that correctly, but you know what I mean. And of course, the most important thing, don't forget to have an amazing day.
I gotta take this off quick. I have a new cleaning lady coming to check out my house. She's literally 2 minutes away. She's just coming to check out the house today and give me a quote on like how much it would cost. Just cause I am not a clean and tidy person. I know, shocker. So I think a little bit of help would be good for me. Just like mopping the floors and stuff. I have to answer the door with this on my face. She's literally gonna quote me $1,000. There is not a dollar amount on earth that she would probably clean my house for if I look like this. I am like really struggling to get this off. Oh God. Neck reveal. Turn that frown upside down, mamas. Look, it's like an indent where the smile was. I already say that I was a noob from Roblox. If you don't know, now you know. Wipe that away. This is why I don't have a boyfriend. Ow. I look like I just came out the womb. My eyelashes are kind of cool. I'm gonna go wash my face and probably cry.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. Also, sorry, I have to be quiet again because I always wait till everyone's asleep to film. I'm not afraid of anything, anymore. Silent screaming helps. Also, I have a little problem. I did my nails the other day, and I have no idea how to take my contacts out with nails. I feel like I'm gonna poke my eye out. Wish me luck. Okay, well, I mean, I got one, and my eye is still there, so let's try that again. You guys, it's stuck, and I can't take it out. I don't know what to do. Okay, I just had a mini heart attack, but I got it out. And of course, here's your favorite nightmare fuel. I took a shower and I'm all clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. If I blow hard enough, these teeth will come off. Oh no, they're... I didn't think it would actually work. We're not gonna stop there though. Okay, this is gonna take too long. Oh, I'll save that one for last. I'm pretty happy with how this makeup came out, but I'm really tired and I'm really hungry. Ow. So we just gotta push through. Oh, I almost forgot about the nose again. That really popped off. DIY blackhead removal, anyone? Just kidding, please don't do that. Wow, don't I look beautiful? And your favorite nightmare fuel? Alright, I am now clean. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? I can't talk. There we go, that's a little better. And now, I know I already did a miraculous makeup in the past, but I just had to make a scary one. I also know that her hair isn't black and it's blue, but I don't own a blue wig. Look at that, I got little scratches from Cat Noir, and it's like the mask is carved. You know what I'm talking about. I'm proud of this look. And now we gotta take it off. I only really use latex for the mask, so let's find an edge. Ooh. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Now you see, if I was smart, I would remove the contacts before taking the rest of this off, but I'm too lazy and my hands are dirty. Ready for the sad part? Oh no. Nightmare fuel? My phone's at 3%, but let's try to get a satisfying stripe. Oh yeah, there we go. That took forever to wash off, but I am finally clean. And you guys have an amazing day.
Get unready with me, Christmas tree edition. Take the star out of my hair. Gotta take these ornaments off. Watch this. We're gonna try using these. Oh. It smells like so many chemicals in here. The most painful for last. Get these lashes off. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. This look was based on The Little Mermaid and if she, from pollution, yeah. Starting by taking off the contact, we gotta snatch the weave. I'm getting crazier and crazier every day. And now for the fun part. So, for no reason whatsoever, I just glued the seashell right here, just because I found it in my stuff. And we just gotta... Okay, that wasn't too bad. All of this on my face is also liquid latex. Let's take it off. Oh, okay, let's take all of it off, not just a little piece of it, Valeria, come on. Okay, take 2. Okay, that's better. There's still liquid latex on my neck. Okay, this one's gonna hurt. 3, 2, 1. No. Okay, quick. Almost done. Finally. Nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now.
Take off my makeup with me, scary puppet doll edition. Gotta get rid of these contacts because oh wow, I literally can't see. Okay, I'm so over these pigtails. Gotta get these fat lashes. Here we go. Oof. Gotta get the other side. The other side, the other side, the other side of me. Oof. The lips. Alright guys, it's all off and my skin is looking flawless underneath. So I'm gonna go. But thanks for watching.
Bestie, what is wrong? You know what you did. No, I do not. You know what you did. Girl, if I knew what I did, I wouldn't be asking you. So I'm gonna ask you one more time. 4 more, and Johnny ate 1. How many apples does he have altogether? 18? She wanna play. If Johnny has 16 apples, and Manny gave him 4 more, and Johnny ate 1, how many apples does he have altogether, Brittany? It's not that hard. It's 19. It's 20. No, Mom, I did the math. It's 19. I said put down 20. If you see part 2, go subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Get unready with me, special effects makeup. This is about to hurt so bad. It looks so weird. Let's get these contacts out. There we go. Thanks for watching. I gotta take this off quick. I have a new cleaning lady coming to check out my house. She's literally 2 minutes away. She's just coming to check out the house today and give me a quote on like how much it would cost. Just cause I am not a clean and tidy person. I know, shocker. So I think a little bit of help would be. It is time to take this off. Let's get these contacts out. Perfect. I already know this is gonna be a lot of pain. Let's get the forehead. I'm gonna spray it with some of that. Let's try this again. I can't. It's stuck. Oh my god. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. This little beauty's been falling off since I put it on, pretty much. This should be easy. There's still latex on my neck, of course. Yeah! This side, however, is on there pretty good. Let's just start from the top and maybe make it drop. Just kidding, that's for later. The reason I'm talking so much is because I don't want to take this off, because it's gonna be painful. Okay, just one quick motion. Yeah, it just rips the paper. We're like halfway done. I surprise myself sometimes. Okay, one last one. Why do I do this to myself? I don't know. I hope your pain is amusing. I did not say that right. I hope my pain is amusing to you. There we go, Valeria. Second time is the charm. That's also not the saying. Our favorite nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now.
Take off my makeup with me, Rocky Person edition. Get rid of this wig. Now for the contact. I have one eyelash on. Now I'm using some makeup milk. Let's see if that'll accomplish anything. Oh my gosh. Gotta get that neck. This is never coming off. This is not going well. I'm trying so hard. Ah! Totally forgot that my ears had paint on them. I'm gonna go shower. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. I am Dream, as you can tell. A very terrifying version of Dream, but I am Dream. I'm gonna start by taking out my contacts, cause ow, they hurt. I mean, like, they're just more uncomfortable than anything. Now it's time for the smile. Oh boy. Oh. Nice. I did not think that this is what my Tuesday afternoon would be looking like. Let's take the rest of this off. I would say nightmare fuel, but the original look was way scarier than this. Whoop. Okay, this is gonna take a while. I'm gonna go shower.
Take off my makeup with me. Did I scare you? Let's start with these massive contacts. Wow. Oh, it's stuck. Oh wait, I got it. This should be fun. Ow, my hair, it's in my hair. Ow! Who wants it? Doing a giveaway. It doubles as a really cute bracelet. Get these gems. Wow, they're stuck. Ow. Cleansing balm. Goodbye, hard work. We're just gonna wash away all of my hours. I look like the red M&M from the commercials. Taking my makeup eraser. Look at that. I think my face is stained. Thanks for watching.
Hi, ma'am, you can take a seat. You're not gonna sing it to my daughter? Well, I just saw her earlier. Y'all got some disrespectful teachers in this school. And we'll be standing, because we're not gonna be here for long. Okay, well, ma'am, your daughter has gotten into a fight with another young lady. And left her with a bloody nose. Do you have anything to say to that? Say to what? What I just told you. Honey, did the girl lay her hands on you first? She did. Who do the students think won? Me? Okay. Are you not going to discipline her? What you're not going to do is tell me how to discipline my child. So if someone touches your daughter like this, you want her to fight them? You damn right. Oh my God!